Okay, in this tutorial, we're going to review the verb estar. Estar is the other meaning of the verb to be in English. Here is the conjugation of the verb estar. Estar is one of those verbs irregular in the yo form. So we conjugate this verb yo estoy, tú estás, usted, él, ella está, nosotros, nosotros estamos, vosotros, vosotras estáis, ustedes, ellos, ellas están. Let's review the uses of this verb estar. The verb estar is used to describe a physical or geographical location. So we use the verb estar plus a preposition of location. In this case, we're going to use the preposition en. It could be any other preposition, like a la derecha de, a la izquierda, debajo, arriba, enfrente, atrás. Another use of this verb is to describe a state or condition. How the people might feel like at a specific moment, or how the food might taste like at a specific moment. So this verb estar, it is considered as a temporary condition, temporary. The difference from this verb and the verb ser is considered a permanent condition and estar is a temporary condition. Another use of this verb estar is to form this compound tense, in Spanish, the progressive tense. This tense is formed using the present tense of the verb estar plus the present participle of the main verb. In English, this progressive tense is formed using the verb to be plus the present participle of the main verb ing. For instance, I am talking, you are listening, that's present progressive in English. In Spanish, present progressive is yo estoy hablando, tú estás comiendo, él está escribiendo. So this progressive tense, it will be considered in another tutorial. And the last use of this verb, estar, is to form some idiomatic expressions. For instance, estar de acuerdo, estar en camino, estar en las nubes. So we have to conjugate the verb estar to use those expressions. For instance, yo estoy de acuerdo o yo no estoy de acuerdo. Nosotros estamos en camino. Los estudiantes no están en las nubes. So those are the uses of the verb estar. Gracias.